Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up some hot wings, buffalo wings, but these ones are going to be deep fried. I have some for the air fryer too, if you guys want to go check out that video. But Curtis and Ryan wanted some hot wings, so I thought, why not just make a video out of this and show them how we do them here. We do them so many different ways, guys, but here I have 3.5 pounds, a little over 3.5 pounds of the wings and the drums. What do you call those? Wingettes. And I have a cup of flour there with my tablespoon of cornstarch and my spices, and everything you need will be in the description. Now, we're not putting a heavy coating on these. We're just lightly dusting them. And get you a big heavy-duty bottom pot and fill it with, that's about a couple of inches of oil, I guess. Just depends. You want a big pot. I think I used just about the whole thing of... Curtis, see how much oil's in that bottle I threw there?
48 ounces.
So it's 1.5 quarts. And we're going to go... I thought you were looking at something else. We're going to go ahead and drop these in. Get your oil heated to 375. It's important that you have the accurate heat going there because you don't want to burn them and think they're done because they're cooking too fast because it's too hot. And you don't want your oil to be not hot enough. So fry these in a couple of batches. Don't overcrowd your pan because it will make your temperature drop dramatically if you put them all in there. So we're just going to shake. This is basically dusting them with the spices. Now, on the wings there, Curtis, did I bring that up? I lightly drizzled them with some seasoned salt and let that seasoned salt sit on them for about a half hour, I think it was. I lightly drizzled the raw wing with seasoned salt. And then you have your seasoned flour here also. But we're just waiting for our pan or our oil here to come up. What am I at there? 280? Yeah. I want that at 375, your oil, 375 Fahrenheit, and we'll get these in the oil. Okay, meanwhile, while my oil is coming up to temp here, we're just about at 340, so that's almost ready. I'm going to show you here what I have. I have my butter, my Tabasco, and I just do a drop of the Worcestershire sauce. Just a quick shake of it in there. I done no measurements, and I like to use the Frank's original sauce, and this is the old school way we were brought up on making them. This squeezable butter, it just gives them a totally different flavor. Now you can use regular butter if you want, but I just like the flavoring, and how that's just how we were brought up on them, made that way. And as I said, the measurements are in the description, and I want it a little hotter, so I'm going to use a little bit of cayenne pepper. So let's get those wings started. Okay, guys, our oil is up to 375, and I did on the wing sauce just until it comes to a boil or a light simmer. Go ahead and turn it off. We're going to throw these in. Throw them away from you, and you want a deep pot. There we go. And I still have a half a bag here. So we're going to cook these, fry them up good for between 12 and 15 minutes. You want them golden brown. Keep an eye on your heat here, okay? You want it to stay at 350 to 375. Now, and before you throw your second batch in, be sure your temperature is back up to 375 because you want to make sure. But I just took mine out a while ago because it bothers me. It's in the way. But just to let y'all know, before you throw that second batch in, come back in with your, if you take it out, and make sure you're at 375 at the second batch. and try to keep it consistent. If you got to keep turning that knob up and down to stay at 350 to 375, do that. But we'll get these wings all fried up, and I'll move them around here and there just until they're golden brown. All right. Okay, guys, we got about 3 to 4 more minutes on these. As you can see, they're turning a nice brown there. You see that there? As long as your internal temperature is 165, you're good to go. And another good indicator is when you don't hear so much moisture flying from that chicken. When it starts to settle, you'll know. But they're just about done. They got about 3 to 4 more minutes, I think, and we'll be there. And then I'll get my second batch in. I'll get those done, and we'll get them sauced up. Okay, my friends. Now, these are all done. Mine fried 12 minutes. 12 and then 13. Your heat is going to mainly be on medium-high when you're frying these if you don't have a thermometer. But if you do have one, of course, I don't know if I brought that up, your temperature is going to drop. And when I said maintain your temperature, that was meant when you put your second batch in. But when they continue to fry after you drop them in, your temperature is going to drop a good 20, 25 degrees. And they get nice and crispy. Listen to that. See, you can hear it. It's crunchy and they're hot. But I always add or make some extra sauce because we like to dip some in there as well. Save a little bit. Or you can use it all. Let me get my, what did I do with that thing I had? There it is. And we'll just mix these up. And I like to let them sit down in there for a little bit, and then we'll get them plated up and just toss them. Listen, you can hear that crispiness from those. They're so good. But I'll get these plated up, guys. Okay, my friends, there's the delicious wings, and Curtis is pacing back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, just waiting to try one. I told him, you're going to wait till I present it. Ooh, there they are, guys. Welcome all my new subscribers. If you're not subscribed, get yourself subscribed. If you enjoy the videos, I'm doing a giveaway once I hit 50,000 subscribers. The only way you can be entered is if you're subscribed. And I hope you subscribe just because you like my channel. Okay? So we're going to let Curtis taste one of these wings. He's going to sit here and eat the whole plate up. I know he is.
I'm so excited. Get a little wing. Got some blue cheese.
Yeah, there's blue cheese. Blue cheese or ranch. We like to dip those in.
Oh, that's so good. I need to get some celery too.
Yeah, it's really good with that celery. Yummy, yummy.
Oh, that is so good.
Look at that sauce around your mouth. Are they spicy?
Yes.
Are they good enough? You can definitely, back off on the cayenne if you don't want any extra. Just the good old Frank's by himself, That's how I used to make it, but it seems like the older I got, the more spicier. I love spicy food. Very, very spicy food, actually. And I know those are not hot enough for me. What is that one sauce I like, Curtis? 2 times spicy?
The budak sauce.
What is it called?
The budak?
Budak? Well, I don't know what it is, but God, I love that sauce. 2 times spicy. I wish I had some of that for my wings. But anyways, there it is. You guys, I hope you try them and love them as much as we do. And we will see you guys next week. You guys stay blessed. Take care. Love y'all. Bye-bye.